Got a letter in the post. What is this? I like the color scheme, YouTube. Very nice. It even got a letter from Susan. I won't read the whole thing, but it finishes with congratulations again on becoming Marcia's husband. And please give Sven a big hug from us. Thank you, Susan. Now, if you've been on Twitter, you've seen this already. But here it is. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god, I've smudged it already. Ba-da! Pewdiepie, congratulations on passing 100 million subscribers. I know a lot of people wanted a custom reward, but I don't care. This is awesome. And of course, thank you, YouTube. Where would I be without you?